Yes, children, so it's our exercise time now. So we completed the lesson, traveling around us, lesson 16. So you learned about different modes of traveling like land transport, water transport and air transport. Now we do the exercise, okay? Hope you read the lesson. Now it will be easy for you if you read the lesson and then coming to the exercise, okay? So we'll see what all the questions are there in the exercise. So our first exercise is exercise A. Answer the following questions. Some questions are given. You have to read the question and you have to answer it. Okay. First question. Can you read the first question, children, along with me? Yes. Which is the first question here? First question is, what are the three types of means of transport? What are the three types of means of transport? Yes, land transport, water transport and air transport. Answer, the three main modes of transport are land transport, L-A-N-D, land, T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T, transport, land transport, water transport, W-A-T-E-R, water transport, and air, A-I-R, air transport. Second, name the vehicles that move on road. Which are the vehicles that move on road? There are many vehicles: car, bus, scooter, bike, bicycle, auto, rickshaw. Yes, the vehicles that move on road are bicycles, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E-S, bicycles, rails, R-A-I-L-S, rails, the vehicle that travel on rails, train, you know. Then rickshaws, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W-S, rickshaws, etc. So these are the vehicles that move on road. Next question, third, name any two means of air transport. Which are the means of air transport? Aeroplane, helicopter, they are all means of air transport. So answer, helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter, and aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane, are means of air transport. Then last question, fourth question, name any two means of water transport. Answer, steamer and ship are means of water transport. Steamer, S-T-E-A-M-E-R, steamer, and S-H-I-P, ship. These are the means of water transport. You can write boat, ship also. So, first question, what are the three types of means of transport? The three main modes of transport are land transport, water transport and air transport. Second, name the vehicles that move on road. The vehicles that move on road are bicycles, rails, rickshaws, etc. Third, name any two means of air transport. Helicopter and aeroplane are means of air transport. Now last question is fourth question, name any two means of water transport. Steamer and ship are means of water transport. Okay. Children, our next exercise is exercise B, fill in the blanks. Yes. So there is a clue kit given, children. Below the fill in the blanks in the textbook, there is a clue kit given. See, I have written here. This is the clue kit. In the clue kit, some words are there. Using that words, you have to fill each blank. Let us see what all words are given in the clue kit. Auto rickshaw, A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, auto rickshaw. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Car, C-A-R, car. Vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. So these are the words in the clue kit. Using these words, you have to fill each blank. Okay? Yes, so the first question is, we use dash to travel from one place to another. So we use vehicles, isn't it? We use vehicles to travel from one place to another. So here you can write vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. So we use vehicles to travel from one place to another. Second, dash is a type of road transport. Here, which is the road transport? That is a type of road transport. Car is a type of road transport. So you can write here car, C-A-R, car. Then third, boats travel on. Yes, boats travel on. It is a water transport. So boats travel on water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Then fourth, dash is a means of air transport. Here, which is air transport? Yes, helicopter, isn't it? Helicopter is a means of air transport. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter is a means of air transport. Fifth, dash is used for traveling short distances. The last one. Yes, what is left here? Auto rickshaw. We use auto rickshaw to travel very short distances. So, auto rickshaw. This is the answer. Auto rickshaw is used to traveling short distances. A-U-T-O, auto rickshaw, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Auto rickshaw is used for traveling short distances. So first one, we use vehicles to travel from one place to another. Second, car is a type of road transport. Third, boats travel on water. Then fourth, helicopter is a means of air transport. Then last one, auto rickshaw is used for traveling short distances. Okay. Children, our next exercise is exercise C. What is exercise C? Match the following. So here in this side you can see 1, 2, 3 air transport, water transport, land transport is given. So the other side here pictures are given. Children, 3 images are given, 3 pictures are given. You have to match it. So the first one, air transport. Air transport, to which picture here it will match? Yes, you can see aeroplane there, isn't it? Aeroplane. So you have to match air transport to the where there is aeroplane. Yes, aeroplane is the third picture over there. It's aeroplane third. So you have to match air transport to aeroplane. Then second is water transport. So there you can see ship, isn't it? Steamer or ship, it is given the image. First image is that ship you can see. So water transport. Second is water transport. Yes, here you can see the picture of steamer. First image, first picture is of a steamer. So it's a water transport. You can match to that picture. Water transport, you can match to that picture. Now what is left is land transport. The other side you can see a car in the middle. Second image is a car. So land transport, car is a land transport. You can match the land transport to the image car. Okay, so the first one, air transport, you can match to the third image, that is aeroplane. Then water transport, you can match to the steamer, which is the first image, first picture. Last one, third one, land transport, you can match with the car, which is in the middle, or in the second images of a car, you can match with car. Okay. Children, our next exercise, exercise D, circle the vehicle which moves faster. Okay. Yes, so here the name of some vehicles are given. You have to circle those vehicles that move so fast. So Tonga, helicopter, cycle, ship, bullock cart, taxi, train, car, boat, bus. So among this, which are the vehicles that moves faster? What about Tonga? Will it move fast? It is pulled by a hose. No, not that fast. Helicopter? Yes, it moves fast. So you can circle the helicopter. Cycle, your cycle, bicycle, no, it won't move fast. It doesn't move fast. Ship, yes, it moves fast. What about bullock cart? No, yes, it cannot move fast. Taxi, yes, it can move fast. Train also move fast. Car, it can also move fast. Boat move fast. Bus also move fast, isn't it? Yes. So other than tonga, cycle, bullock cart, the other vehicles can move fast. Helicopter can move fast. Ship, taxi, train, car, boat, bus, these all vehicles can move faster. So you can circle these vehicles. Helicopter, ship, taxi, train, car, boat and bus. Okay. Children, our next exercise E. Write the various means of transport you have travelled under the following categories. Yes, if you have travelled in any land transport, you can write the names of that means of transport here. If you travelled in any water transport, you can write the names of those water transport here. And if you have travelled by any air transport, then you can write the names here. It's up to you. You have travelled. They asked, no, write the various means of transport you have travelled. So if you have travelled in any various means of transport, you can write the name. Suppose you have travelled by bus, then you can write bus. If you have travelled by car, then you can write car. Then if you have travelled by auto rickshaw, you can write auto rickshaw. If you have travelled by bullock cart, you can write bullock cart. So like that, names you can write. Water transport, if you have travelled by a boat, then you can write the name of boat here. If you travelled by a ship, you can write the name of ship here. Then air transport, if you have travelled by an aeroplane, then you can write the name of aeroplane here. If you have not travelled, then don't write. Just put a blank, don't write. Okay, so water transport, other than boat and ship, small rowboat is there. Rowboat, where you can see in small villages and all, to cross the river they use that kind of boat. If you have travelled in that, you can write the name that here small boat it is there. So like that, if you have travelled in any of the land, water, air transport that you travel, so that the names you can write. Okay children, this is an example I have shown. It's whatever means of transport, land, water, air, which you travel, you have to write the names of that. If there is any one water transport, no problem, one name you can write. Okay. Children, our next exercise F. Look at the following vehicles. Here some images of vehicles are given, pictures of vehicles. So look at that. Then write L for land transport. If it is a land transport picture, then you have to write L, the letter L. If in the pictures, if you can see land transport, then write L. If you can see the pictures of air transport, then write A, and write W for water transport. Yes, so now coming to the pictures, children. The first picture given is, can you see the first picture here? Yes, what is that? Name that picture. Yes, it is a hot air balloon. So hot air balloon is land. Which mode of transport? Land, water or air? Yes, it's an air transport. So for air transport, you have to write A. So below the picture, there is a small square box given. There you have to write A, because hot air balloon is an air transport. Now second picture. Can you see the second picture here? What is that? Yes, it is a steamer. What mode of transport it is? It is a water transport. So water transport, you have to write W. So below the picture in the square box, you have to write W. A small box is given. In that box you can write W. Third image. Which is the third image here? Name that. Yes, it is a bicycle. What mode of transport it is? Yes, it's a land transport. For land transport, in the box you have to write L. Then fourth image. Next image. Which image this is? Can you name? Yes, it's a helicopter, isn't it? Yes, so it's a air transport. For air transport, you have to write in the box, it's A as A. Yes, now the next image. Yes, which image is that? The vehicle that moves on railway track. Yes, it's a train. So it is a land transport. For land transport, yes, in the box you have to put an L. You have to write the letter L. Next, yes, you can see a person rowing that small boat. Yes, what is that? Rowboat. Small rowing a small boat. You can see this in villages and all. To cross the river, the people use this. It's a water transport. Yes, there you can write W. The letter W. Then next one. Which image you can see here, children? It's a rickshaw pulled by man. A man. Yes, people travel in that, isn't it? Pulled by man. So it travels on road. So it is a land transport. So you can write L in the box. Again L. Next. Yes, what is the picture shown here? Yes, it's a vehicle that travels to the space. It's a spacecraft. Yes. What mode of transport it is? Yes, very good. Air transport. So we can write in the box as A because it's an air transport. The last image. Yes, a car. So car is a land transport traveling on road, isn't it? Traveling on road. Spacecraft A. Then last one, land transport traveling on road. It is L. Car, isn't it? So first image is image of an hot air balloon. So it's an air transport. So you can write A in the box below the picture. Second picture is a steamer. It's a water transport. So below the picture in the box you can write W for water transport. Third image is of a bicycle, travels on road. It's a land transport. So below the picture in the box you can write the letter L for land transport. The fourth image is of a helicopter. It's an air transport. So here in the box you can write A for air transport. Next image is of a train. It travels on railway track. It's a land transport. So you can write L in the box. Next image is of a small boat, travels on water, so it's a water transport, so write W. Then you can see a rickshaw pulled by man. It travels on road, it's land transport, so write L. Then other image you can see is a spacecraft, air transport, so write A in the box. The last image is of a car, a land transport, so you can write L in the box below the picture. Okay, children, so we have completed the exercise now. So hope you read the lesson. At the same time, after reading the lesson you have to go through the exercise well, learn the exercise, answer the following, fill in the blanks, match the following, and this exercise, everything you have to learn properly because you have exams, assignments for all the lessons, so you have to score good marks. So children, read the lesson well and learn the exercise. Okay.